Mountain Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain throughout the Pecos Wilderness. Up to 2.25 inches of rain have fallen over Holy Ghost Creek, Cow Creek, and the Pecos River. Additional rainfall amounts up to 0.5 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Pecos, Upper Colonias, Torero, Lower Colonias, North San Ysidro, and South San Ysidro. This includes the following highways: State Road 63 between mile markers 5 and 23. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Both localized and distant heavy rainfall will create sudden and dangerous flows in arroyos and over low water crossings. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico: San Miguel and Santa Fe. A strong thunderstorm will impact Port